Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about essential learning concepts. What are essential learning concepts? Essential learning concepts are the concepts which are made questions um, using these concepts. That means when you learn these sums at the test, definitely you will be asked for questions using these questions, using these concepts. Okay? The first question, the first sum is to be learned is three-fourth of a certain amount of money is 9 rupees. Find the full amount. This means 3/5 of a certain amount of money. A certain amount is divided into 4 equal parts. The meaning of this. A certain amount is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2 and 3. So 3/4 means 9 rupees. 3/4 means 9 rupees. Find the full amount. 3/4 means 9 rupees. So 1/4 means, can you imagine? 3 rupees. 3 rupees. So for a square or for a part related 3 rupees. 3 each. So you add these values. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So the full amount should be equals to 12 rupees. The full amount is 12 rupees. Okay? Uh, this sum can be done, or the solutions of this sum can be taken using this method. This method means you think the answer can be taken at once. 3/4 means method 2, 9 rupees. Find the full amount. Full amount can be taken obtaining the reciprocal of 3/4. 9 is multiplied by the reciprocal of 3/4. The reciprocal of 3/4, you know that. The reciprocal of 3/4, 4/3. The digit which is having in the denominator goes to the numerator. The digit which is having in the numerator goes to the denominator. The digit which is having in the denominator is 4. It goes to the numerator. The digit which is having in the numerator is going to the denominator. Okay, so 9 is multiplied by the reciprocal of 3/4. The reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. Now simplify. 1 time 3 times. 3 times 4, 12. We have taken the same outcome using this method. I suggest you to use as a test this method. The other sum is this. Okay. The second sum, 2/5 of a certain amount of money is 20 rupees. Find the full amount. I'm not going to write it down. You imagine the sum. Let's find the full amount. 20 is multiplied by, you think 20 is multiplied by the reciprocal of 2/5. What is the reciprocal of 2/5? 5/2. Now simplify. 2 is a multiple of 2, 20 is a multiple of 2, therefore it can be divided that 1 time and 10 times. 10 times 5, 50. So the full amount is 50 rupees. The other sum. 11 or 17 of a certain amount of money is 33 rupees. Find the full amount. How can you find the full amount? 30 is multiplied, remember it, bear in mind it. 30 is multiplied by 17 over 11. Here 33, yeah? Sorry, 33. 33 times 17 over 11. Now 1 time and 3 times. 3 times 17, 51. 3 times 17, 51. Now you know that how to find the full amount when it is given a certain fraction, okay, a certain value related to a given fraction. After that, then you can find the full amount. Let's do the fourth sum. A certain fraction, right? A certain amount of money related to this fraction is 27 rupees. Let's find the full amount. 27 times 27 is multiplied by the reciprocal of this fraction. What is the reciprocal? Here 3 over 8. 8 over 3 is the reciprocal of this fraction. Now 27 is a multiple of 3. Therefore let's simplify that. 1 time and 9 times. 9 times 8, 72. So the full amount is 72 rupees. Here is a fraction, here is a concept which should be learned in the segment of essential learning concepts. Okay, what is the other concept? This is the other concept. The other concept is, Buddha, bear in mind, definitely at the test, these types of questions are asked. Okay, don't forget it. So therefore, you must learn these types of sums or these types of questions. Question number, the second concept. You think of this triangle. This triangle is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. The triangle ABC. The triangle ABC. Why it is called for this triangle that an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle which is two sides equal triangle is called that an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. The side AB is equals to the side AC. You learn this is 40 degrees. Given that this is x degrees, can you imagine the angle ABC, value of the angle ABC? ABC also x degrees. The question is find x. You have to find the value of x. You have to find the value of x. Now learn this. The angles in an isosceles triangle, in an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. In an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. You could see the angle C, the side AB. What is the angle which is opposite to the side AB? That is C. What is the angle opposite to the side AC? That is B. So, if this is x, this one also should be equal to x. You think, if this is y, what is the value of y? This is y. In an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Let's find the value of x. This is x, this is x. Okay? You know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle that's 180 degrees. Let's setting up an equation, it can be found the value of x. X plus x, 2x. 2x plus 40 degrees equals 180 degrees. Let's find the value of x that using the knowledge of equations, it can be found the value of x. 2x equals 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. 2x equals to 140 degrees. The both sides are divided by 2. The value of x can be taken that 70 degrees. Okay, what is the concept? The concept is, in an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay? Um, the other side. The other side. You think of this triangle. This triangle. What is the triangle? This one. Let's find the value of. Let's find the value of y. Let's find the value of y. What is the uh, what are the equal sides? The triangle PQR. The triangle PQR. This is 80 degrees. Find y, yeah? Find y. If this is y, what is y? What is y? The angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So, QR equals to QP. This means if QR equals to 5 cm, then QP also equals to 5 cm. So, if this is y, this angle also should be equals to y. Okay? Now let's find the value of y. Y plus y, 2y. 2y plus 80 degrees equals to 180 degrees. 2y equals to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, 100 degrees divided by 2. The value of y equals to 50 degrees. Okay? So let's learn about these concepts day by day, but before the test. Okay? Good luck for you. Thanks a lot.